and they were able, for this firearm, they were able to know is a Type 56 assault rifle, made from China. And it's a copy of the Russian AK47 assault rifle. We went further to check the serial number, and we found that the serial number is not there. But we stripped the firearm, and we were able to look for other numbers, which we call party numbers. Which we call the party numbers. And in these party numbers, we were able to find in the receiver cover, this is what we call receiver cover, we have number 41200. In the return spring guide, we have number 39601. In the boarded carrier, we had number 68519. And in the board, we have H4552. Normally a firearm serial number is located on the left side for the AK, on the left side. And the part numbers are stamped on other parts, these parts. And the last serial number, the last digit of the serial number is stamped to these other parts. But you find that these parts had different numbers, meaning that these parts came from different firearms. I have a gun firearm from the police, and the serial number here is 5424477. If I strip this gun and look for the part numbers, you will find the last numbers, the last 5 numbers are stamped to each and every part of this gun. For example, the return spring, you find it is 24477, which is the last 5 digits of this AK47 assault rifle. So all the parts have been stamped those last digits of the serial number. And also it has police markings which are written in this AK47 assault rifle. You find it is written KP 5424477, so that you are able to know it is from the government. But this one has no such markings, meaning that this firearm does not belong to the government or to the police. Further, the ballistic experts were able to examine the firearm, and they found that it has some modification or decorations. There are 20 spear pins which are installed on the pistol, on the grip of this AK. And also there is a copper wire wound on the cleaning rod. From my experience as an examiner, these type of firearms, we get them from the northern eastern parts of Rift Valley, especially from the Castro rustling areas, where individuals mark their firearms uniquely. We add another firearm, which is a CRA firearm, CRA pistol, made from Turkey. This is a baby pistol. Normally we get them from the criminal world. It's a CRA pistol. Normally, recently, we have been getting this type of firearms from the criminal world. And this is not a powerful pistol. And it's not, we have never gotten them from the forces. We add also a magazine. This magazine of 15 rounds of ammunition of 9mm, and it belongs to a pistol, a CZ85B pistol, which the pistol can be gotten from the civilian world, the government, or the criminal world. And there were 9 rounds of ammunition, which we also examined, and we found that these ammunition are normally used in handguns. This type of ammunition are used in handguns and some machine guns, of which they can be recovered from the criminal world. They can also be bought from licensed gun dealers and so on. Thank you.
Thank you.